Oven cleaning. Wakefield. Cleaning your oven is probably not one of your favorite jobs. So why not let the experts do it for you, while you sit back and relax? If your oven is taking longer to heat up, then it's a good bet that it needs a serious clean. You will be amazed at how much better your food tastes after your oven has been cleaned. Our cleaning services are suitable for all types of ovens, cookers and stoves. The products used are non-caustic and eco-friendly. And you can use your oven right after it has been cleaned. There will be no grease, food leftovers or burnt-in carbon residue inside, once the clean is finished. Fast and efficient service by fully trained oven cleaners. Let us help you with your oven cleaning today. Call us right now from the number below and get a free quote.